My name is Geraldine. I'm French and come from Bordeaux. And I meet George here in this island because George born in this place. The grandfather of George was a beekeeper and George is the third generation. He worked only with a team honey. The quality of the honey it is in other category. It's because of the taste of the aromatic and the quality.
Καταρχήν είναι λίγο στην Ελλάδα. Έπειτα είναι ένα μέλι που το προτιμούν όλοι λόγω του αρώματος, λόγω της γεύσης. Σε σχέση με άλλα μέλια, πολύ αντιοξυδωτικό.
When I met George, it was only a beehive and olive tree and palm tree and almond tree. Me, I am very, very close to the nature, so I bring rabbit, chicken, and turkey, and emu, and cat, and dog, and we are 70% autonome. I don't go in supermarché to buy fruit or vegetable or meat. If I need lamb, I go in the farmer here. We make olive oil, wine, and voilà, c'est la vie.